People should know that this is the secret in my mind to keeping a good, hardworking, dedicated team member, which is really, really hard these days, is to never let great work go unnoticed.
Kirby, I couldn't agree more. I mean, the importance of the day-to-day, the timely feedback. It captures the moment. Memories are fresh. You have less opportunity for assumptions and misremembrances. I mean, we all know what assumptions do, right? And so, in doing that, you really start to help to cultivate engagement and really get that relationship building. You create that environment where, people know that they're going to be recognized for the things that they're doing well. And then they're not going to be in the dark on whether or not they are doing something well or not, right? Again, going back to that assumption piece. So having that day-to-day timely feedback, I think, is invaluable.
Yeah, Jeremy, I think that's a great point. If you're a leader and you don't feel 100% comfortable with giving and receiving feedback, it's really worth it to invest in yourself in this area as part of your own personal continual improvement, right? Because people on your team, they are like teeth. If you ignore them, they will probably eventually go away. So, many of us, myself included, we didn't come out of the gate with all of these interpersonal skills that we need to be effective in our communication and in our feedback. And so, seeking help, like you said, there's TED Talks, there are workshops, really invest in yourself and don't be afraid to ask for help. Because giving and receiving excellent feedback is really what gives you and your team that competitive advantage.